Let's turn back the pages to the 80s and 90s when a revolutionary innovation took place: the birth of fiber optic cables. Imagine a time when communicating across oceans was just a distant dream. In 1858, the first transatlantic submarine cable connected the United States and the United Kingdom, slowly bridging the gap between continents. Over time, connections between all major continents were established using submarine cables. While these cables faced challenges under the sea, the game changer came with the advent of fiber optic cables. This technology allowed massive data to be transmitted at incredible speeds. By utilizing submarine cables, all major landmasses became interconnected. And here's where the magic happens. Platforms like YouTube, Google, or any website we surf today, regardless of where their servers are located, became accessible. Submarine cables emerged as the backbone of our interconnected world, influencing global economy, trade, finance, and communication.